I bet you haters think that this between me and you. I'm just coming for the crown, ain't nothing they can do. Nah. Killer Mist, get right into it. They being at the bottom, shit is temporary. I'm putting them on notice. Had them waving the flag way before I even wrote this. The dopest, they might as well put me on the scale. The ether that I speak gon' help me reach my clientele. I'm just trying to prevail. Haters want you to prolong. We chasing that mail, telling them suckers so long. What took you so long? They said your flow was so strong. They want an answer. These people need something to go on. I've been getting my shit together, same time I'm hurt now, better late than never. I'm way better than the ones you say the hardest. I ain't trying to sound like no other motherfucking artist. That's garbage. I'm still doing me, same OG, just a little more polished. And I just wanna be able to say I did something major than writing raps on the table. I seek knowledge, even though we never got to see college. Still money in our pockets like we never heard of wallets. It's obvious we tryna go to the moon. I had these rap niggas exposed like an open wound. We coming soon, all we do is represent. Break bread, thank the man for the health and strength. They ain't dealt me since I showed them I could play the cards. That Killer Mr. nigga smart, he got away with bars. Okay, you hard, rob, mob, shoot and kill. Fuck nothing but bad bitches and you super trill. Niggas saying they real, we know they truly not. With they fake ass, we call them booty shots. He call it do the Glocks, moving all through the blocks. What you doing? We don't want nothing to do with cops. Going farther than the elevator, take us. My shit list consists of any nigga that hate us. Straight up, headed to the finish line. To the top, won't stop till they give me mine. When them shots out there send me flying, I make it hard for the coroner to identify. And really I'm penalizing anybody that's hating on this team. We got big dreams for that big screen, but really we want that big cream. My shit mean